I'm back, second video, continuing the first stroke. My mind, Krishna Tadiya Pada Pankaja Panjarantam Adhaya Visitu Me Manasa Raja Hams. So my mind is actually entangled in the first stroke. It's like a maze, like Kulsha. My mind is let it get entangled in the network. So that's the first stroke. I was just seeing, realizing, I was hearing Nitai's doing the first stroke. The Nitai's loud bawling, kind of. He's like rolling on the ground, and he is actually feeling the suffering of that soul whom he's rolling. Sorry, I can't keep my eyes open because I have to internally, every sound vibration I give, I want it to be mixed with his remembrance. If I look at the camera, then my remembrance decreases. I'm sorry for that. So he's like, Nitai is, slowly you can hear, like I said, from Namakshar, from the strokes, you will come to know the form, then the qualities, the pastime. So just like the sound of the name, similarly. So I could hear Nitai, and I can actually. And I am actually. So Nitai is kind of single, even if that soul is not listening to Nitai is just rolling and crying. Said, oh, how much suffering. Then I remembered that verse by Vrindavan Das Thakur, which says, Dayal Thakur Nitai Paradukha Jane. Dayal Thakur Nitai, his heart is so full of compassion. Paradukha Jane. He knows how much we are suffering, how much we are sad in this material world, and he knows it more than us. We think we are happy, and he knows, because he knows all our past and previous and present lives. He knows everything. There's a super soul in our heart. So who can be more compassionate? He's like rolling on the ground and bawling, crying, please accept my love, please. Please, I cannot see you suffering. You are my child. I cannot see you suffering. And for that I am literally begging you. I'm literally rolling in your courtyard. I'm literally falling at your feet. Please, please accept my love. For your sake, not for my sake, for your sake. End your suffering. Nitai Charana Satya Tahar Seva. Jeev Nitai Das. Hey Vishwas. Karle Tohar. Narottama boro dukhi, Nitai more koro sukhi. So Nitai is the direct, antonym or direct contradiction, direct anti thing of misery, because he is Paramananda, he is happiness. So he cannot see anybody suffering. He just cannot. He wants to go to everyone's home. He's just rolling and everything is there in the first stroke. Everything. His merciful Maha-Audarya pastimes will manifest to you in the first stroke. I am all saying this just by the first stroke. Trust me, just all the visions are there. He is in so many universes right now. He's going Paradukha Jane. He knows he cannot, because he knows he cannot tolerate. He's willing to give himself. Whoever he sees, whoever it is, he embraces them. That is the first and second stroke.